Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change Google Maps voice language. Changing the voice language in Google Maps can make navigation easier and more comfortable, especially when traveling or if you prefer a specific accent or dialect. In order to change Google Maps voice language, launch open the Google Maps application on your mobile device or any other devices, and then from the home screen, click on your profile initial at the top right corner. Now from the menu that pops up, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Voice Search. Now from the Voice Search selection, browse and choose the language or voice combination that suits you. Go ahead and choose from the available language options, and after you do that, you can get back to the home page of Google Maps. Now, when you use Google Maps for navigation, the voice guidance will speak in your chosen language or accent. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.